Each year, thousands of homeowners in just Louisville alone have to deal with roof repairs. Many have some sort of bitter experience, ranging from struggling with unprofessional contractors to absolute complete frustration from being undercompensated or denied from legitimate claims by insurance companies. In 2022, we helped more than 200 homeowners avoid trouble with unprofessional contractors or being undercompensated by insurance companies. And we are on a mission to help another 300 to 400 Louisville homeowners by the end of 2023. We are Roof It Right. We specialize in residential and commercial roofing.
But more than that, we have a group of insurance claims specialists. So whether you have a leaking roof, gutter problems, a storm damage claim, or it's just time to replace that old roof, we can help.
Schedule your free inspection today.